Add a new dimension to the world around you. Listen, learn, and find out why.
We love Hakka.
多学一种语言，多开一扇视野。现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hi everyone, it's time for another Hakka lesson right here on ICRT.
Hello， 你好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
大家好，我是 Joseph Lin. And Alice, it's been a year already. 没想到一年又过去了。
错啊，
因为我们又要来讨论这个月就是很重要的日子，就是端午节。
月节
啊，我还记得，对，端午节 is not pronounced the same way as in Mandarin. In Hakka, it's actually 月节，对不对？
五月节
其实就是五月节 which means it's a celebration that happens in the 5th month of the lunar calendar. 五月就是 5th month of the lunar calendar. Okay, 五月节, 五月节, that's 端午节. The Dragon Boat Festival is what we're talking about right now. And during this festival, of course, there's a lot of regular things that needs to be done. For instance, 大家都会想到的就是要包粽子或者是吃粽子。
包粽诶，
包粽诶就是要包粽子嘛，对不对？
吃粽诶，
就是我负责的那一部分，你包我吃，好不好？
我包你吃了。
Okay, so that's the rice dumpling, which is a traditional thing to eat whenever the Dragon Boat Festival is here. Okay, so 粽子应该就是
粽诶，
粽诶，
有甜嘅粽诶，
哦，有甜那个粽诶，
还有鹹嘅粽誒，
鹹啊，
鹹的
鹹的，哦，對對對，有點忘了。哎，這是 a good review. Okay, there's two types of rice dumplings. There's the sweet kind with like red bean paste, and then there's the salty kind, which is the more traditional kind, 也就是鹹粽。哦，對，講到這個，我聽說今年有人推出一顆2500塊的粽子。
哈，金粽誒啊，
金粽誒，對，裡面包金。That's right. That's what I heard. There's the most expensive rice dumpling this year is valued at 2,500 NT just for one rice dumpling.
哎呦，拜託你買我來食。
哦，不是啊，我都負責吃的，你忘記了嗎？Okay, all right. And aside from eating, 另外一個東西也很重要，就是要有香包。
紅包。
紅包 ，OK， 不是紅包哦，紅包是
鳳包。
鳳包 ，that's the red envelope, but 香包 is
紅包。
紅包 is a cent pack, and this is something that is traditionally used during the Dragon Boat Festival. So let's go ahead and review those terms. Dragon Boat Festival, 端午節就是五月節。
月節。
月節。粽子 which is rice dumpling.
粽誒。
粽誒 if you're gonna make a rice dumpling 是包粽。
包粽誒。
包粽誒 if you're gonna eat a rice dumpling 吃粽子。
吃粽誒。
吃粽誒 and finally a cent pack 香包。
紅包。
紅包 There you go. That's our Hakka lesson of the day for today.
什麼大家？
俺只say 張來了。
客家風情由行政院客家委員會獨家贊助。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Executive Yuan's Council for Hakka Affairs.